Hi ladies and gents, so today I am doing another fall makeup look, and it is inspired by like going into a pumpkin patch and all that. Um, well actually this is like half pumpkin patch and a very simple jack-o'-lantern kind of look. It could be used as a jack-o'-lantern depending on which lipstick you choose to use. It could be a very simple pumpkin inspired look. I'm going to have one other pumpkin inspired look, and yeah, this one is so the other pumpkin look I'm going to be doing is also using a lot of the same items, so you'll see in both. So you could choose to watch this one or wait and watch my pumpkin spice one. That has a lot more glitter in it. This one has less glitter in it, well, except for one of the lipsticks. And yeah, let's get started. So I've already previously primed my eyes before this, but I'm going to add a little bit more because it has already dried, and that is quite a pain. I'm only going to add a tiny bit because, like I said, I already added some previously before I even started the video. Just want one of my things to stick easily. And I'm actually using I think it's discontinued blush that is called Sunset Beach by Milani. It's a nice terracotta color. Or if you don't have this, and I do believe it's discounted, I was also going to use the Not a Basic Peach palette from Wet n Wild. So for previous times for private use I've been using this, but I think it's been discontinued. So I'm actually going to put that aside and use something else. I'm actually going to use mix this one here from the Wet n Wild and this one here, because I think this one here looks very similar in style to the blush that has, I think, been discontinued. So I'm actually going to go back and forth between the two terracotta looks, or the two terracottas in the palette. And I'm going to just make I do believe it's called a halo eye. So basically we were trying to create like the coloring of like a ripened pumpkin. Now these two terracottas are much brighter or darker than these, because this is a blush, so it's a lot lighter, but the lighter you go, the more smoked out they'll look. But I think this looks pretty good. Now I'm going to take the pale peachy shimmery white in here, and I'm actually going to use my finger and just put it where we didn't put any of the orange. So between the two of these, it's kind of like you get like the inner pumpkin guts kind of look, because it's like a pale, you could even use a pale yellow if your skin tone permits. Just use like a mattish pale yellow. Don't use any shimmer. Or you could use a light shimmer. Or you could even use gold if you really wanted to, but that would be going into my pumpkin spice look that I'm going to create next for my next video. The next thing is, of course, eyeliner. I'm going to do my classic winged eyeliner, so whichever wing liner you're most comfortable with doing, like however you do your liner. I just find it weird if I don't use wing liner, do wing liner for me. You could even, if you really wanted to, you could try like creating like bat wing eyeliner. If you wanted to, like a bat wing, but yeah. So the next thing I will do is get my lashes primed for if I can find my lash glue. So for the lashes, I am going to use the LA Colors Dromit Lash in Diva. And like always, I put the lash glue on and then I set them aside while I put my mascara on. And then just simply put, I'm going to quickly curl my eyelashes, put my mascara on, and you have two options for lipstick. One is using black lipstick if you want to do like the jack-o'-lantern lipstick. Or you can use like a emerald green. And the lash glue should be ready. And that's it for the eyes. Now you could do a green lipstick, and the one I have is from Urban Decay, but if you can get your hands on like another one, this is that one that I wore today. Well, I worn this and then I took it off and then I reapplied it. Or you can use a black one if you want to go for a jack-o'-lantern. So it depends on if you want to go for jack-o'-lantern or pumpkin patch. So the green lipstick option is for pumpkin patch, or the black one is for jack-o'-lantern. So what I will do is half one side of my lip will be the green and the other half will be the black. And for the green, I kind of have, it's kind of streaky, so what I use is I use the Maybelline Master Smoky Eyes Studio pencil, and that helps the green stick to my lips a little bit better. as you can see, it's a beautiful emerald green. It's the Urban Decay metallicized color in Junkie. Or you can use Wet n Wild's Megalast lipstick in Blackout. Or you could use the Wet n Wild Catsuit in the black one. Or you could use the Emerald. Emerald also looks similar to this. So there are two options. You can either do the green or you can do the black. They both look awesome either way. And like I said, the black is the jack-o'-lantern. And if you really wanted to, and you had the time, or you wanted to be a jack-o'-lantern, you could extend the corner to make your make it look like you have a jack-o'-lantern smile. And this side is like represents the leaves in a pumpkin patch. So you have two lip options for one eye look. And I hope you enjoyed, and I'm sure I would love to see you in my next video. Bye!